Although authorities have not released their names yet, we have been able to piece together a history of violence at the scene of today's stabbing. King 5 investigator Chris Ingalls is here with what we have learned about all this, Chris.
Yeah, Joyce, you're right. We don't know names yet, but we do have information that comes from court records that matches up with the address of this morning's stabbings and the age of the suspect, a 32-year-old man. Pierce County court records show a mother's fight to protect her family from an adult son suffering from grandiosity, auditory hallucinations, and command hallucinations. In short, escalating mental health. This information comes from a temporary protection order issued in April of last year. The woman who lives at the address of this morning's stabbings petitioned for the court's protection. The domestic violence protection order granted by the judge days later contains a chilling statement from the woman's son who recently told her that her grave has already been dug. The judge ordered the son to continue taking medications and stay 1,000 feet from his mother and her home. It wasn't the first time. In December 2020, at the same home, the woman said her son came to her daughter's room with a knife, demanding that her boyfriend leave the house. He informed the family that he is a god. The April court records say the 32-year-old man's mental health problems had only gotten worse. Again, that was just 6-7 months ago. What we don't know is what happened in the time in between these various protection orders. The one from 2020 appeared to last for about a year. The one last year was a temporary order. Those are usually in effect for only a couple of weeks. And then we learned that deputies were on their way to serve a new one this morning. We don't know if the man was in regular contact with his mother, his family, in between those orders, and that's a key thing. You know, were they seeing him in between all this?
And then what about a criminal record?
Well, Joyce, we couldn't get really in depth in those kind of records. Protection orders are civil, first of all, but there were also some traffic cases, at least one criminal trespass charge that appeared to be dismissed. It's hard to tell if these were minor instances or something more serious. We just don't have anything concrete on that right now.
And just still so much that we don't know yet, including who the victims are. Chris,
yeah, absolutely.
thank you.